You have probably heard of Dubai, right? Big city vibes, shiny buildings, sky-touching towers. But just a little drive away, there's Ras Al Khaimah. And let me tell you, this place is raw, wild, and seriously underrated. If you're into mountains, dunes, wind in your hair kind of thrill, you are gonna love what's coming as we dive into 7 epic things to do in Ras Al Khaimah. First, Jebel Jais, where the sky begins. Okay, the first up is Jebel Jais, the tallest mountain in the UAE. Up here, it's crisp, cool, fresh, like you just hit reset. You're flying over those rugged peaks on the world's longest zip line. You, the wind, that heart-thump moment before you launch. It's unreal. And if ziplining isn't your thing, the hiking trails here are beautiful. Golden hour hits different on the mountain, trust me. Second, desert safari, chaos in the coolest way. Next, let's hit the dunes. This isn't just a drive, it's a dune bashing. Think of it as off-roading with attitude. 1 minute you are climbing a giant sand hill, the next, drop. Sand in the air, music blasting, your stomach doing cartwheels. Then, to slow it down, you can try sandboarding or chill with a camel ride at sunset as the desert shifts into golden hour. Third, caking through mangroves. Silence, but make it scenic. Now let's switch the vibe, okay? Imagine yourself padding through these quiet mangrove waters where birds fly low, crabs crawl past, and now and then a flamingo in the distance. It's peaceful, it's calm, it's one of those moments I can actually hear myself think. And after the chaos of the dunes, this feels like a deep breath. Fourth, paragliding. Next we have paragliding. If you have ever dreamt of flying, no cockpit, no engines, just you and the wind, you gotta try paragliding over Ras Al Khaimah's desert. You're gliding over golden waves of sand, feeling tiny and infinite at the same time. It's freedom in the realest sense. Fifth, horseback riding. Desert, the old school way. You have seen the desert from above. Now it's time to ride through its heart. Desert stretching for miles, sun dipping low, and you riding a horse through it all. It's quiet, it's cinematic, you feel connected to the land, the horse, the moment. Beginner or not, this one's pure soul food. Sixth, rock climbing and canyoning, built for brave hearts. Let's get gritty now. If you're the kind of person who sees a mountain and goes like, I wanna climb that, Ras Al Khaimah hears you. Rock climbing here is tough and totally worth it. But if you want variety, try canyoning in Wadi. You hike, swim, scramble, squeeze through narrow rock walls, and cool off in natural pools. Here, every step is different. Seventh, mountain biking, full throttle therapy. Last but not the least, for my fellow bikers, the Hajar Mountains have trails that wind, twist, and climb like a video game level. It's sweaty, it's scenic, it's addictive. Whether you are a newbie or a hardcore trail lover, there's ride here with your name on it. Finally, here's what it all comes down to. Ras Al Khaimah isn't polished. It's not even trying to impress you with the glitz. It's real, wild, adventurous in every sense of the word. And if you want to feel a place, not just visit it, this is where it begins. And hey, if you want to explore it all without the guesswork, Tripedo's got your back.